Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube PC. So can't you watch specific videos on YouTube? If you have activated restricted mode, you can quickly and simply switch it off. Use your account to log in to your desktop, toggle off activated restricted mode by clicking your profile image. But before that, you have to log in or sign in to your Google account first. So click sign in at the top right corner. Now, if you don't have an account yet, then you have to click this create account here. Now you have to select if it's personal for your child or for work. So personal, and then you have to enter here the first name, the last name, and then follow the instructions. Now, once you have your YouTube account, you just have to click your profile at the top right corner, scroll down, and as you can see, restricted mode is off. Now, if you want to activate this, then all you have to do is to toggle this one on, then you have activated restricted mode. If you want to turn this one off again, you just have to click your profile, scroll down, and then click this restricted mode on. Now, in some cases, users cannot turn off their restricted mode. In that case, you have locked your restricted mode on this browser. To unlock this, all you have to do is to click this unlock restricted mode on this browser. Once you tap this one, what you're going to do next is to simply enter your email address and also your password. Now, after you type your password, click next, and it will reload and refresh everything. So if you tap your profile at the top right corner again and scroll down here, you will see that restricted mode is turned off. You can turn this one on and off anytime you wanted to. And that's it. That's how easy it is to turn off restricted mode on YouTube PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.